Okay, you guys, hopping right into this video. Yes, I am starting off with some wine. This was a Saturday night when my daughter was doing my hair, and I was just enjoying wine and chocolate while she pampered me. I don't know if this is a pamper because y'all, she was being real rough. Really, really rough with my hair. But anyway, so starting off with some water. So the water is helping to moisturize my locks, but not only that, to use this hair wax that we are going to use to paint my hair red, the hair does have to be a little damped. And I don't want to keep getting wet, so I'm just going to throw a towel on me. And this is the hair wax that we're using. I'll link below in the description box because I am not about to try to pronounce this name. And then if you don't want your hair or your fingers, in other words, all colorful, gloves is definitely a necessity. As you can see, she's just rubbing it in. And that's what it takes. Like, you literally just rub it on. So she's just going to rub it everywhere. I want it to be like close to the roots too, so that's why she's going up further. In the last video we used gold and we just did like half of my hair, but we're doing more this time. And so just a peek at what I'm watching, I am watching Batman. This is Batman Returns, or The Dark Knight Returns. In other words, I watched the one with the Joker earlier. He cracks me up. I absolutely love the Batman trilogy. I can watch it over and over again. But you guys, this is how it turned out. Like, it is so cute. It is super wet. So what she's about to do next, that we're going to do off camera, is put a little heat to it. And then she's going to give me a retwist of her roots. So I did see some that was like a little clumped up. So she's just putting a little bit more water on it and rubbing it in so that it doesn't look all uneven. And it is all set. This is the next day. And this is how it looks once it dried and retwisted. Super duper cute. I am satisfied, okay? And my locks are locking up just fine. It's been 5 months now. And this hair wash just works just fine to get me through these starter phases because I don't want to add any permanent dye to my hair. So you guys, I hope you liked this video. Again, there will be a link in the description. Thanks for watching.